The 5 ways to avoid being a sheep to authority. 1. Stop desiring power and giving your consent to bad authority. People follow evil authority because they want power. For example, people support socialist candidates in hopes those same candidates will punish hated enemies. The result? The socialists become millionaires, take over the country, and oppress gullible citizens. Being the teacher's pet or a mindless voter will not give you the power you seek. You provide power to the powerful, yet they will never share it with you. Luckily, you are not easy to fool when you control your emotions and your desire for power. Remember, politicians will manipulate you to eat the rich while those same politicians become richer. Race hustlers will lie to make you hate your neighbor's skin color. A bad teacher will mock you as you pay them to educate you. 2. Be investigative to avoid losing time and money to cheats. On a personal level, an individual must be critical. If you're analytical, you won't become a mindless consumer or useful sheep to those in power. For example, you may need a mechanic to fix your car. The mechanic is an authority in automobiles. You must pay for his services. However, you shouldn't be lazy or stupid. Ask questions. Shop around. Request estimates. Be investigative, and you can choose the best authority to serve you, teach you a new skill, or give advice. 3. Practice universality to understand the actions of leaders. On a societal level, the best way to avoid becoming a sheep is to practice universality. Remember, proper authority or leadership adheres to virtue. The government can't demand frugality, then increase the national debt. Such hypocrisy is a clear sign of bad leadership. Also, authority does not translate into truth or morality. Having power, knowledge, or talent does not make your opinions or actions correct. 4. Be an authority in your life and earn power over yourself. Good authority is about responsibility, virtue, and morality. Therefore, to understand and appreciate proper leadership, you must become a leader in your own life. How do you become the ruler of yourself? Through tried and true methods. Pursue virtue to decrease your vices, improve your behavior, and expand your opportunities. Pursue virtue by asking yourself, is this virtuous whenever you act? Controlling your emotions helps you respond reasonably. Control your emotions by practicing breathing exercises, remaining grateful, and avoiding emotionally draining situations. 5. Celebrate proper authority and you'll see more of it. Individualists are lone dogs. It's a part of the charm. However, we will be in positions of authority or under the jurisdiction of others. Therefore, we should celebrate good leadership. If you have a good boss, find an honest politician, or see a hard-working father. Give them support. Defend their character. Promote their attitudes and behaviors.